What is up, Ian? I just got back from delivering t-shirts. I hope everyone's having a wonderful start to their day, start to their Saturday. Hope you guys go outside and do something, because you only live for so long. But I'm gonna go cook something right now, because I have no better video ideas for today. Because I just want to stay away from the Zach thing. I kind of want to make a more positive video. For my Slubby soldiers. Shout out to you. Alright guys, today we're gonna make an egg in the nest. I'm doing this cooking thing so when I don't have any other video, I can just come down and cook something, and I like to cook. And we're gonna make an egg in the nest, but I already didn't say that. So what you need is egg, bread, and butter. Bread. Ah, son. I just hit my toe on this heater thing. That hurts so bad. Hi, Georgie. And we got the country style butter because we're from the hood. Grab a cup. So you're gonna grab one of your pieces of bread. You know, no one likes ends. So you need one of these. That's a banger. This cup is a banger, kind of like a shot glass. Press it down. So you hit the gym, ladies and gentlemen, right there. And then you're gonna pop the middle out. Pop it like it's hot. Okay, 1 second. Boom. Pop that, and you're gonna want to keep this, because if you like toast or bread, you're gonna want to keep this. Before you want to put this on, you're gonna put some butter on to make it taste good, to give some flavor. Butter knife, it's used for butter. You want to heat it up first. Not too hot. You gotta let it cook slowly. So you got this. You got your butter. That's a lot of butter. You probably shouldn't put that much, but you just want to kind of walk it around, let it melt itself. And, you know what I'm saying? Get all saucy so it doesn't stick and the bread tastes better. You're gonna want to grab your toast. You want to make sure the heat is not too hot so you don't just start burning your bread, because no one likes burned bread. Open your eggs. You got 1 egg left. Perfect for the video. Boom. Right into the center. Right into the center of the thing. Alright? I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit. You can turn up the heat a little bit if you want to now that the egg's in there. Anyway, you've been going about 30 seconds. Ooh, snap. And so you kind of see bubbles forming there. Now it's time to flip it when the bubbles burst. So you want to grab your spatula. Looking good, boys. Alright guys, I'm flipping it right now. Boom. Doesn't that just look delicious? Oh my god. That looks amazing. You guys might be asking what the black parts are. I really just don't know. I kind of don't want to eat it right now, but I'm going to eat it for the boys. You're going to want to grab your plate. Boom, it's smashed on the ground because you're a maverick out here and you record dead people and you're an idiot. No, I'm just kidding. But you will grab the plate. Boom, dinner is served. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to want to turn off your heat so your house doesn't burn down. You guys are probably wondering right now what this is used for. You're going to want to scrub the thing with it to get the rest of the butter and to heat it up, okay? But don't eat it yet, okay? I know you want to. Or if you still have your butter open, you just dip it in your butter. Pretty good. Sorry, when Tubby sees food, Tubby eats food. On the end piece to make it feel welcome, because everyone's welcome here. Grab your fork. And no napkin because we just full send it today because it's not that messy. Almost tipped. It's really just not that messy video, but that looks good. To be real. You just gotta full send it and cut it open. And you're just gonna, I'll try it for the boys for the one time. I couldn't have made it better myself. That's absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna finish eating this because I don't really like getting on camera because it's weird. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today on another episode of Cooking with Sam. Comment down below what other recipe you want cooked on the show, or made, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys have any other ideas from the vlogs, please comment them. I'm kind of in loss right now. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you all. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time. If you guys have been wondering who I'm hanging out with my winter break, this dude. Pretty much.